Similarly, next question. A 90 liters mixture of milk and water contains 10% of water. How many liters of water must be added so that water may be 25% in the resulting mixture? Similar question. First of all, I will explain orally. Here 90 liters of mixture is there. In that one, 10% of water. 10% of water. So here 10% is nothing but 10% is nothing but 10% of 90. 10% of 90 is nothing but 9 liters na. Out of 90, 81 liters are milk and the remaining 9 liters are water. In this case, here how many liters of water must be added so that water may be 25% in the resulting mixture? Finally, I need 25% of the water. Finally, I need 25% of the water. Remaining 75% is what? Milk only na. Whenever you are adding water, milk is constant na. Milk is 81 only. After adding water also, milk content is 81 only. 81 liters is nothing but 75% because finally I need 25% of water. 75% is nothing but 81 liters. Then 25% is how much? Mas 75% ante 75% is nothing but 3/4 na. 3 parts is nothing but 81. Then 1 part is nothing but how much? 327 times 81 na. 1 part is 27 na. Initially 9 liters of water is there na. I need to finally 27 liters of water. How much I need extra? 18 liters I need extra. So your answer is what amma? 18 liters. Option C is the right answer. Once again I will explain amma. Don't worry. Here 90 liters mixture is there. In this 90 liters, milk, water. Water is how much percent amma? 10%. 10% is nothing but 9 liters. Remaining 81 is milk only na. Remaining 81 is milk only na. Here, in this case I am adding water. Whenever you are adding water, milk should be constant. Milk is 81 only. After adding water, finally water concentration is 25%. Finally water concentration is what? 25%. Finally I need, so 25% in the resulting solution. 25% water is nothing but remaining 75% is what? Remaining 75% is what? Milk only. This 75% is nothing but 81 liters. This 75% is nothing but 81 liters. Then 25% is how much? 75% is nothing but 3/4 na. 3 parts is nothing but 81. If 3 parts is 81, 1 part is 27 na. Therefore 25% is 1 part amma 27. I need finally 27 liters. I need finally 27 liters. Initially only 9 liters are there. How much I need extra? How much I need extra? 18 liters. I need to add 18 liters from outside. So your answer is what amma? 18 liters. Option C is the right answer. Just copy it amma. So that is the reason I told. The third method is very, very important. It's very easy method. So without using pen and paper also we are going to attack directly. Previously we missed one question in this model only. Just to try to solve this question amma. Yes, this question. So this is also similar model and a 120 liters of mixture of milk and water contains 20% of water. How many liters of milk must be added so that resultant mixture contains 15% of water? How many liters of milk must be added? In this case, how many liters of milk must be added? So initially, how many liters of mixture is there? 120 liters. 120 liters mixture is there. In this 120, milk, water. What am milk, water? Milk, water. So milk water contains 20% of water. 20% of water. 20% is nothing but how much? 24 liters. Remaining 96 is what? Remaining 96 is what? Milk. These are the original statistics. Now, how many liters of milk must be added? Now, in this case, we are adding milk. In previous question, we are adding water, but in this case, we are adding milk. So, how many liters of milk must be added? So, the resultant mixture contains 15% water. So, whenever milk is added, water is constant now, water is zero now. Finally, water is how many liters? 24 liters. 15% is nothing but 24 liters. 15% is nothing but 24 liters. If 15% is 24 liters, then remaining should be what? Remaining 85% is what? Remaining 85% is milk only na. Remaining 85% is milk only na. 15% water is there. Then remaining 85% is what? Milk only na. Yes or na? Now, how many liters I need to add? First of all, 15% is 24, then 85% is how much? Ma, look at me here. 15% is 24. So, 15% is 24, then 100% is how much first of all? 10% is nothing but 16. 10% is nothing but 16. 5% is nothing but 5% is nothing but 8 na. 5% is nothing but 8 na. Then 15% is nothing but 24 na. Accepted or na? So if 15% is 24, then 10% is 16 na. I need 85% na. 85% na. 100% is nothing but 160 na. 10% is 16. 10% is 16. 100% is nothing but 160 na. In that 100%, just subtract 15%, then we will get 85%. 160 out of 160, just subtract 24. Just subtract 20, 140. Just subtract 4, 136. So 85% is nothing but what am I? 136. Finally, I need 136 liters of milk. In the original statistics, how many liters of milk is there? 96 liters of milk is there. Now, how much I need to add, Amma? How much I need to add? 40 liters. So your answer is what, Amma? 40 liters of milk I need to add in order to get 15% of water in the final mixture. Initially 20% of water is there, but you are adding milk na, that is the reason water content will reduce. So finally, so I need to add 40 liters of milk to the original mixture, then I will get 15% of water. All of you clear, Andy? Just make a note, Amma. Next question, Amma. Just read this question, Amma. In a 50 liters mixture of water and milk, water is only 20%. The milkman gives 10 liters of this mixture to a customer and then adds up 10 liters of pure water in the remaining mixture. Then find the percentage of water in the final mixture. Percentage of water. Percentage of water. First of all, I will explain orally, Amma. There are 50 liters of mixture of milk, water and milk. Contains water is 20%. If water is 20%, 20% of 50 liters is nothing but 10 liters na. Therefore, out of 50, 40 liters milk is there, 40 liters milk is there, 10 liters water is there. In that case, the milkman gives this 10 liters of this mixture to a customer. 10 liters is nothing but out of 50, 10 liters gone. That equal quantity of milk is coming out and the equal quantity of the water is also coming out, equal percentage. Now, out of 50, if 10 liters are coming out, remaining 40 liters also 20% water is there. 20% of 40, 8 liters. 8 liters of water is there and the remaining 32 liters of milk is there. In this case, I am adding what? 10 liters of water. If I am adding 10 liters of water, so in previous one, 8 liters of water is there. If now I add 10 liters, total 18 liters of water is there. 18 liters of water is there, 32 liters of milk is there, total 50 liters. Out of 50 liters, now 18 liters of water is there. For 50 liters, 18 liters, they are asking percentage of water. 50 liters of mixture, 18 liters are there. Percentage nothing but 100% na. For 100 liters, so it will take 36%. Your answer is what, amma? 36%. Once again, I will explain, amma. So initially, so 50 liters are there. Out of 50 liters, 10 liters of mixture is taken out. 10 liters of mixture is taken out. Remaining is what? 40. In this 40, so water and milk. What, amma? Water and milk. So water is how much percentage, amma? 20%. Water is how much percentage, amma? 20%. 20% is nothing but what, amma? 8. So remaining 32 is milk. In this case, I am adding water. Water is how many liters, amma? 10 liters. So total how many liters, amma? Water. So whenever I am adding water and milk is 0. So finally milk is 32. Milk is 32. Water is 18. Water is 18. Original content doesn't change because 10 liters you are taken out and 10 liters you are adding. So original content doesn't change. Original content is 50 liters. Out of 50 liters, they're asking water is how much percentage. Water is how many liters, amma? 18 liters. So your answer is what, amma? Your answer is what, amma? So for 50, 18, then for 100, 36%. So 36%. Your answer is 36%. Option D is the right answer. Just to make a note, amma. So 10 liters of mixture is taken out. That is the reason 10 liters I am subtracting from 50 directly. Okay. Next question, amma. A vessel of 80 liters is filled with milk and water. 70% of the milk and 30% of the water is taken out of the vessel. It is found that the vessel is vacated by 55%. Find the initial quantity of milk. Find the initial quantity of milk. If you read the question carefully, you can get the answer directly. Here, a vessel of 80 liters. Vessel of 80 liters. Just observe carefully. 70% of the milk taken out. 30% of the water is taken out. It is found that vessel is vacated by 55%. Vessel is vacated by 55%. Whenever you are taking 70% of the milk and 30% of the water, vessel is vacated by 55%. Vessel is vacated by 55%. The more than half vacated. More than half vacated. Here, you are taking milk is more or water is more? 70% of milk, na? Milk is more, na? Whenever you are taking milk is more, vessel is also vacated by more than half. Definitely, in the original content, original mixture, milk is more than half. Milk is more than half. Then only it is possible. Whenever you are taking milk percentage is more, vessel is also vacated by more than 50%. Definitely, in the original content, milk is more than 50%. Original mixture is 80 liters, na? 50% is nothing but 40 liters, but more than 50, na? More than 50 is nothing but your answer is more than 40 liters. See the options, more than 40 liters, which option is there? So 50 liters, your answer is 50 liters. Otherwise, I will give the solution also. So here, if 80 liters are there, if I am going to take milk is 50 liters, and remaining automatically remaining 30 is what? Water. Out of 50, you are taking 75% milk, 70% milk, na? 70% of 50 is nothing but 70% of 50 is nothing but what? 35, na? 35, na? And 30% of water is nothing but 30% of water is nothing but 9, na? So total is how much, amma? 44, na? Total is how much, andi? 44, na? That 44 is how much percentage of 80? Exactly 55%, na? Exactly 55%, na? Therefore, vessel is vacated by 55%, na? Satisfied or na? In the exam, no need to check each and every option. See the logic here. You are subtracting 70% of milk 30% of water. You are taking milk content is more. In this way, vessel is also vacated by 55%. Vessel is also vacated by more than half. That is the reason in the original mixture, milk is definitely more than 50%. More than 50% is nothing but, so 50% is nothing but 40 liters. More than 50% is nothing but more than 40 liters. See the options more than 40 liters, which option is there. So in that way, how to attack directly. All of you clear, Amma? Just make a note. Next question. Question number 20. In what ratio water should be mixed with the milk so that by selling the mixture at the cost price of milk, there is a profit of 25%. In what ratio water should be mixed with milk so that the selling the mixture at cost price of the milk. They're selling the mixture at cost price of the milk. So whenever he's selling the mixture at cost price of the milk, in what way they are getting profit? So with water only, na? So they're asking in order to get 25% profit. So in what ratio water should be added? So 25% is nothing but 25% is nothing but 1 by 4 na. Out of 4 parts, this one part is water. Out of 4 parts, this one part is water. For every 4 parts of the mixture, if we add one part of water, then we will get 25% profit. Therefore, out of 4 parts, 3 parts are milk, 1 part is water. Out of 4 parts, if 1 part is water, then definitely we will get 25% profit. Your answer is what? 1:4. Your answer is what? 1:4. Option C is the right answer. So here water is the profit. Here water is the profit for you. Answer is what, Amma? 1:4. All of you okay, Kadamma? So shall I go for the next question? The similar way, the next question is also in the similar way. A dishonest milkman professes to sell his milk at cost price. At cost price, they said, I am selling the milk at cost price itself. Okay, but he mixes its water, thereby he gains he gains I think here some matter is missing. He gains some percentage. He gains some percentage that is missing here. The percentage of what in the mixture. So he gains. I think here some data is missing. I will see that data. Here some data is missing. A dishonest milkman professes to sell his milk at cost price, but he mixes it with water and thereby he gains the percentage of water in the mixture is dash. Here he is getting some profit. Okay, he is getting some profit. That data is missing. So that data is missing. I will see that one. 14 2 by 7. That percentage is 14 2 by 7. 14 2 by 7 percentage. Then only we will get the answer. 14 2 by 7. So 14 2 by 7 percentage profit. So 14 2 by 7% profit. So 14 2 by 7 is nothing but what, Amma? 14 2 by 7 is nothing but which fraction? 1 by 7. So I already told in the mindy calculations itself, whenever they given gain, profit, whenever they given gain, profit, more, increase, greater, I told one point. So whatever value in the numerator, simply add to denominator. If 1 is added to 7, 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is nothing but what, Amma? 12.5%. 12.5%. So out of 8 parts, so 12 by 8, out of 8 parts, 1 part is water. If you add for every 8 parts, if you add 1 part water, then you will get so 14 2 by 7% profit. So so answer is what about 12.5%. They're asking percentage of water. Percentage of water is what? 12.5%. For every 8 parts, 1 part is water. Therefore, percentage of water is what? 12.5%. Your answer is what? 12.5%. Option B is the right answer. We'll see next question, Amma. Question number 22. A 40 liters mixture contains milk and water in the ratio of 5:3. If 24 liters of mixture is withdrawn and replaced with water, find the ratio of milk and water in the resultant mixture. Here, a 40 liters mixture contains milk and water in the ratio of 5:3. If 24 liters of mixture is withdrawn and replaced with water, find the ratio of milk and water in the resultant mixture. If 24 liters of mixture is withdrawn, total mixture is how much? 40 liters. Out of 40, if you withdrawn 24, remaining 16 na? Remaining is 16 na? That 16 is in the ratio of 5:3. 5:3. 5:3 is nothing but 8 parts na? 8 parts is 16 liters, then 1 part is 2 liters na? Then 5 parts is 10 liters, then 3 parts is 6 liters. Therefore, milk is 10 liters, water is 6 liters, and replaced with water. So replaced with water is nothing but the 24 liters are added to the original mixture, that is 16 liters. So the 24 liters are water na? Originally water is how many liters? 6 liters na? 24 if you add, total 30 liters of water. Milk is only 10 liters. Milk is 10 liters, water is 30 liters. They are asking the ratio of milk and water in the resultant mixture. Milk is how many liters, amma? Milk is how many liters? 10 liters. So water is how many liters, amma? 30 liters. Therefore, ratio is what, amma? 1:3. Therefore, ratio is what, amma? 1:3. Your answer is what? Option B. Option B is the right answer. Once again, I will explain, amma. Out of 40 liters, out of 40 liters, out of 40 liters, 24 liters withdrawn, 24 liters withdrawn, the remaining is 16 liters. That 16 is in the ratio of so 5:3, 5:3. Total 8 parts. 8 parts is nothing but 16. Then 1 part is 2 liters. Then 5 part is 10 liters. So this is 5 parts is what, amma? 5 parts is what? 5 parts is what? Milk. And 3 parts is what? Water. Therefore 3 parts is nothing but 6 liters. Now you are adding 24 liters of water. Now the resultant mixture is what, amma? The resultant mixture is what? 10 liters milk and 30 liters water. Therefore, the resultant ratio is 1:3. The resultant ratio is what, amma? 1:3. Option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. Just to make a note, amma. I think the similar problem we already done. I think 8th problem. Okay. Out of 40 liters, 24 liters mixture is withdrawn. That is the reason remaining 16. 16, 5:3. 8 parts. Each part is 2 liters. Milk is 10 liters. Water is 6 liters. You are adding water. Water you are adding. Total 30 liters of water, 10 liters of milk. Ratio is 1:3. This is all about concept number 3, based upon concentrations. Based upon concentrations. This is all about concept number 3. First concept, combined average. Second concept, mixtures or allegations. Third concept, based on concentrations. Water concentration, milk concentration. So like that. So concentration based upon percentages. Okay. So now we'll see the next concept, that is based upon proportions. Based upon proportions. We'll see the based upon proportions. So I will explain based upon proportions in nothing more ratios. So here they given in terms of percentages. In the next concept, they are giving the same things in terms of ratios. Okay, proportions. So I will explain through examples, amma. Okay. So read the 23rd question. In an alloy of zinc and copper are in the ratio 1:2, and in the second alloy, the same metals are in the ratio 2:3. In what proportion these alloys to mix to prepare an alloy in which zinc and copper are in the ratio 5:8? So here I will explain first of all concept. Here in the first vessel, Zinc and copper is there. Zinc and copper 1:2 ratio. 1:2 ratio. In the second vessel, again zinc and copper is there. Again zinc and copper is there. 2:3. 2:3. 2:3. If I add these together, so in the what ratio these alloys are mixed to prepare a new alloy in which zinc and copper are in the ratio, in which zinc and copper are in the ratio 5:8. They're asking which ratio. They're asking which ratio. They're asking which ratio. How many parts we are taking from the first vessel? How many parts we are taking from the second vessel? So in that way, we are getting zinc and copper in the ratio 5:8. They are asking this ratio. All of you understood what is the question? So whenever they're asking this type of ratio based questions, Amma, I will solve here. Two concentrations are there again. Zinc concentration is there, copper concentration is there. So based upon one, I am going to take. So here based upon zinc I am going to solve. Based upon zinc I am going to solve. Okay, based upon zinc I am going to solve. Just look at me, Amma. This is the first question in this model now. Just concentrate all of you. So in the first vessel, how many parts of zinc is there? One part of zinc is there out of total three parts. Out of total three parts. Out of three parts, one part is zinc. In the similar fashion, in the second vessel, zinc is how many parts? Two parts. Zinc is how many parts? Two parts. Out of five parts. Out of five parts. In the resultant mixture, 5 parts zinc is there out of 13 parts. Now here 1/3 is zinc, 2/5 is zinc, 5/13 is zinc. Zinc. That is the reason I am going for allegations are mixtures. So whenever we come across these type of fractions, don't go for direct subtraction. If you go for direct subtraction, definitely it will take some time. That is the reason whenever you come across these type of fractions, try to multiply with all the denominators. So 13 into 3 into 5. 13 into 3 into 5. 13 into 3 into 5. Now 3 get cancelled now. 13 5 jars is how much? 65. 5 get cancelled now. 13 3 jars 39. 39 2 jars 78. 13 get cancelled. 3 5 jars 15. 15 5 jars 75. Now 75 is in between. 75 is in between 65 and 78. Difference is how much, amma? Difference is 3 parts. Difference is how much, amma? 10 parts. Therefore, ratio is what, amma? 3:10. Your answer is what? 3:10. Option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. All of you clear, Andy? So if you go for based upon copper also, you'll get the same answer. Okay, Nama? So whenever they're asking based upon proportions like this, just try to solve like this. Okay, Nama? Just to make a note of all of you. Just to make a note. Shall I go for the next question, Amma? Similarly, I will give one question for you. Just try to solve similarly. A similar fashion. Just try to solve this question, Amma, in a similar fashion. The ratio of water and alcohol in two different containers is 2:3 and 4:5. In what ratio we are required to mix the mixtures of these two containers in order to get a new mixture which the ratio of alcohol and water is 7:5. In the similar fashion, try to solve in the similar way. But here the first two ratios are water to alcohol. Just remember this point, water to alcohol. But in the final mixture, alcohol to water. Just remember this one. If you confuse these two, then definitely you may get the wrong answer. Okay, here water to alcohol ratio they given, but final ratio is alcohol to water. You have to change that one. So in order to get water to alcohol, just to make this ratio is 5:7. Then you will get the answers. Just solve based upon either alcohol or water. Choice is yours. Try to solve fast. What is the answer? Tell me. if I solve based upon water, water is how many parts of my first vessel? Water is how many parts? 2 parts out of 5 parts, 2 by 5. 4 parts out of 9 parts. Mixture 5 parts out of 12 parts. Then multiply each one with denominators. So 12 into 9 into 5. 12 into 9 into 5. 12 into 9 into 5. 5 get cancelled. 12 9s are 108. 108 2s are 216. 108 2s are 216. 9 9 get cancelled. 12 5s are 60. 64s are 240. 12 12 get cancelled. 5 5s are 25. 25 9s are 225. 225. Now 225 is in between. 225 is in between 240 and 216. Difference is how much, amma? 15. Difference is how much, amma? 9. So 5 jars. 3 5s are 3 3 jars. 5 is to 3. Your answer is what? 5 is to 3. 5 is to 3. Option D is the right answer. In the similar fashion, coming to previous one, so previous one and this one similar model. Okay, Nama. But so read that question carefully. If you confuse here, then you will get the wrong answer. So here in the first case, they given water to alcohol, but in the final mixture, they given alcohol to water. You have to change that one. Okay, that is very very important. Just to make a note, Amma. Shall I go for the next question? Question number 25. The ratio of copper to zinc in the alloys are 3:2 and 4:3 respectively. If these two alloys were mixed in the ratio 1:2. In this case, they given ratio. In previous case, they are asking this question. In the previous case, they are asking this question. But here they given mixed in the ratio 1:2. Find the ratio of copper to zinc in the final alloy. It is quite opposite to previous two questions. In previous two questions, they given the ratio of two varieties and the mixture ratio also they given. They're asking in what ratio we are going to mix those two varieties. But here the question is different. They given in what ratio they mixed. They're asking in the final mixture what is the ratio of copper to zinc. Okay. So here 1:2 now. First of all, I need copper. First of all, I go for copper. Copper, how many parts is there, Amma? In the first one, 3 parts out of 5 parts. 3 parts out of 5 parts. So you are taking from the first vessel how many parts, Amma? 1 part. 3 by 5th of 1. You are taking from the first vessel 1 part only. Plus, in the second vessel, copper is how many parts? 4 parts. Out of 7 parts. 4 by 7. In the second vessel, you are taking 2 parts now. Into 2. This is copper. Total copper. This is from first vessel. This is from second vessel. From first vessel copper, from second vessel copper. So together total copper. So next copper to zinc. In the first vessel, zinc is how many parts? Some 2 parts out of 5 parts. 2 by 5th of. From first vessel you are drawing only 1 part. So 2 by 5th of 1 plus. Second vessel, how many parts of zinc is there? 3 parts out of 7 parts. But in the second vessel you are taking 2 parts. This is from first vessel zinc. This is from second vessel zinc. Together is total zinc. So I need copper to zinc in the final mixture. Copper to zinc in the final mixture. So LCM is what? 35. Here also LCM is 35. 35, 35 automatically get cancelled. Then I go for cross multiplication. 5 into 8, 40. 7 into 3, 21. 21 plus 40, 61. 61 is 2. So here, 4 2s are 8. 3 1s are 3. 7 3s are 21. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 21, 61. So 35 LCM, here 35 LCM get cancelled. 3 2s are 6 na, 5 6 are 30, 7 2s are 14. So 14 plus 30, 44. So your answer is what? 61 is to 44. 61 is to 44. 61 is to 44. Option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. Just make a note, amma. This is quite opposite to previous questions. If you observe carefully, in the mixtures or allegations, we covered uh, concept wise and model wise. Okay. All of you copy Namma. Can I go for the next question? Question number 26. Siva purchased two different kinds of alcohol. In the first mixture, the ratio of alcohol to water is 3 is to 4. And in the second mixture, it is 5 is to 6. He mixes the two given mixtures and makes a third mixture of 18 liters in the which the ratio of alcohol to water is 4 is to 5. The quantity of the first mixture is required to make 18 liters of the third kind of mixture is how much? So here, similar to the first question. So here, two varieties are there. One it is alcohol to water, 3 is to 4. And the second mixture is also same. And here also alcohol to water. So I am going to solve based upon alcohol. So here, alcohol first one, how many parts is there? 3 parts out of 7 parts. 7 parts. Second vessel, 5 parts out of 11 parts. In the mixture also alcohol to water, 4 parts out of 9 parts. So each one multiplied with all denominators. 9 into 11 into 7. 9 into 11 into 7. 7 7 get cancelled. 9 11 are 99. 99 3s are 297. 11 11 get cancelled. 9 7s are 63. 63 5s are. So 63 5s are 315. 9 9 get cancelled. So 4 into 11, 44. 44 into 7, 47 are. So 4 7s are 28 now, 280. And 4 7s are 28, 308. So difference is how much, amma? 7. Difference is how much, amma? 11. So total 18 parts. Total 18 parts. So the quantity of the first mixture is required to make the 18 liters of third kind of mixture. That 18 liters is 18 parts. 18 liters is 18 parts. Then each part is what? 1 part. 1 liter. Each part is 1 liter. They're asking the quantity of the first mixture. First mixture is what, 7 parts na? Therefore 7 into 1, 7. Our answer is what, 7 liters. Option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. So in this model, based upon proportions, we solved 4 questions. First question, second question, third question, and fourth question. First question, second question, and fourth question, all are similar. 26th question, so and previous questions, all are similar. And the 25th question is quite opposite to these 3 questions. Okay, Namma? Just make a note, Andy. All are based upon proportions. All these 4 questions are based upon proportions. Just to make a note, Andy. Shall I go for the next question? Just read the question number 27th question. There are three types of milk and Parag, Amul and Nestle. The ratio of the fat to non-fat contained in milk is 2:3, 3:4 and 4:5 respectively. If all the three types of milk is mixed in the equal quantity, the ratio of fat and non-fat content in the mixture will be dash. This model is also very, very important, and here in this model the keyword is equal quantity. Equal quantity. Here three containers are there. Here three containers are there. Three are equal containers. Three are equal size containers. These three containers are poured into a big container. Here they given fat to non-fat. Here they given fat to non-fat ratio, fat to non-fat ratio, fat to non-fat. They're asking if these three equal vessels are poured into a single vessel. In this final vessel, what is the ratio of fat to non-fat? All of you understood what did they ask here? So all three are, these three are equal containers, equal vessels, but the ratio is different. Fat to non-fat, the ratio is different, but the vessel quantity size is same. So this is the very, very important model, Amma, here. So here I'm going to explain. Just look at me, Amma, here. First vessel 2:3. First vessel 2:3. Second vessel 3:4. 3:4. Third vessel 4:5. Third vessel 4:5. Listen carefully here, Amma. Total how many parts, Amma? 5 parts. Total how many parts, Amma? 7 parts. Total how many parts, Amma? 9 parts. Here 5 parts of the first vessel will be equivalent to 7 parts of the second vessel, 9 parts of the third vessel. In order to equal them, here I go for LCM of these three. LCM of these three. So 5 7s are 35, 35 9s are 315. 315. LCM is 315. Therefore, 5 parts is nothing but 315. Here 7 parts is nothing but 315. Here 9 parts is nothing but 315. But 315 is the each vessel capacity. Here this 315 liters is in the form of 5 parts. Here 315 is in the form of 7 parts. Here 315 is in the form of 9 parts. So 5 parts is 315. Then each part is how much? Each part is how much? 7 9 are 63. Each part is 63. 563 times 315. No need to 5 how many times it goes 315. Just close this one. 7 9 are 63 na. Then definitely 563 just 315. Then 2 parts of 63. So 2 into 63. 2 into 63 126. So 3 into 63. 3 into 63. So 189. So first vessel total 315 liters are there. In the 315 liters, 126 liters of fat content, and remaining and 189 liters are non-fat content. In the second vessel, 7 parts is 315. Just close 7. 5 9 jars 45. 745 jars 315. So 345 jars is how much, Amma? 345 jars 135. So 445 jars is how much, Amma? So 180. Just add 45 to 135. The 9 parts is 315. Just close 9. 5 7s are 35. So 4 parts is nothing but 4 into 35, 140. 5 into 35. Just add just to 35 to 140. That is nothing but 175. Now 126 is fat. 135 is also fat. 140 is also fat. If I add all these three, 126 plus 135 plus 140. All these are fat. Coming to non-fat ratio, non-fat, remaining are non-fat. 189 plus 180 plus 175. If I add all these three, 180, 180, 180. If I add 5 here, 180, 180, 180, 540. 544 extra is there, 544. 544. So see the options, 544, and so 544 is only one. The remaining is 401. This is 401. Therefore, your answer is 401 is to 544. So in the final mixture, in this one final vessel, the ratio is what? 401 is to 544. 401 parts are fat and 544 are non-fat. Wherever they're asking, say for example, in order to give 3 vessels, if they ask 2 vessels also, we are going for like this only. In that case, we are going to take only two vessels LCM. If they give 4 vessels also, in that case, I am going to take 4 vessels LCM. All of you clear, amma? This model is also very, very important. Just to make a note, all of you. Based upon proportions, so these are the 3 different models. Okay, amma? Just to make a note, amma. This is all about concept number 4. This is all about what, amma? Concept number 4. So concept number 4 also completed. Concept number 1, combined average completed. Concept number 2, mixes or allegations. Concept number 3, based upon concentrations. And concept number 4, based upon proportions. And final concept is there, one concept that is based upon replacements. First of all, copy this one, then we will see based upon replacements. Just copy this one first. Completed all of you. Shall I go for the next model? Next concept. The next concept is what, amma? Based upon replacements. So whenever they're asking based upon replacement, and through example I will explain, and just look at me, amma. From a container having 10 liters of pure milk, 1 liter of milk is replaced with 1 liter of water. This process was continued for 2 more times. Find the quantity of milk left in the container after such operations. So here, whenever they're asking these type of questions, just listen, amma. From a container having X liters of pure milk, 1 liter of milk is replaced with Y liters of milk is replaced with Y liters of water. This process was continued for n times. This process was continued for n more times, kadama, n times. Total operations are n operations. Then find the quantity of the milk left in the container after such operations. So whenever they're asking this type of questions, amma, your answer is x into 1 minus y by x whole power n. Where x is original mixture, original quantity, original mixture. Y is replaced quantity, and n is number of operations. N is what, amma? Number of operations. Here x is how much, amma? 10 liters, na? 10 into 1 minus 1 by 10 y by x whole power n. 2 more operations, 2 more times. Total how many operations, amma? 3. Therefore 10 into 1 minus 1 by 10 is nothing but 9 by 10, na? Like that, how many 9 by 10, amma? 3, na? 9 by 10, 9 by 10, 9 by 10. So 10 get cancelled. 9 cube is nothing but 729. 729 by 100. 729 by 100 is nothing but 7.29. So finally 7.29 liters of milk is there after 3 such operations. We take 10 liters of milk, but in that one only 7.29 liters of milk is there. Remaining it is water. If they ask water, just subtract 7.29 from so 10, then we will get water. Sometimes they may ask, find the quantity of the water after 3 such operations. Then your answer is what? 10 minus 7.29, that is nothing but your answer is 2.61. But here they're asking, after such operations, milk left in the container. Milk they're asking. Therefore, milk is how much? 7.29. So your answer is what? 7.29. Option A is the right answer. If they ask, find the quantity of the water after 3 such operations, then your answer is what? 2.61. All of you clear, Andy? So whenever they're asking this type of replacement, some original mixture is there, some quantity you are taking out, and the same quantity you are adding, again you are taking, again you are adding. In this type of questions, so just try to remember x into 1 minus y by x whole power n, where x is the original quantity, original mixture, y is the replaced quantity. All of you okay, Namma? Just make a note, Andy. Similarly, we will go for the next question. The next question, Amma. From a tank of petrol which contains 200 liters of petrol, the seller replaces each time with kerosene when he sells 40 liters of petrol. Every time he sells 40 liters of petrol, after replacing the petrol with kerosene for the fourth time, the total amount of kerosene left in the mixture. Please underline this one. They're asking kerosene, not petrol. In previous case, they asked milk, not water. But here they're not asking petrol. They're asking kerosene. Just remember that point. So here the formula is what? X into 1 minus y by x whole power n. Original quantity is what? 200 liters na. 200 into 1 minus y by x. So every time he taken 40 liters, 40 by 200 whole power 4. Whole power 4. Fourth time. So this is 1 by 5 na. 1 minus 1 by 5 is nothing but 4 by 5 na. Therefore 200 into 4 by 5 into 4 by 5 into 4 by 5. So 25 8s are, so this is 256 na. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, this is 256 na. 256 na. So this is 25 na. 25 ones are 25, 10s are 25, 10s are 250, remainder is 6. 60 is nothing but 25 2s are 25, 4s are 10.24 into 8, 10.24 into 8, that is nothing but 81.92. 81. This 81.92 is not your answer. Remember that one. This is what? After applying formula, we will get quantity of milk, quantity of petrol. This is quantity of petrol. But they are not asking quantity of petrol. They are asking quantity of kerosene. That is the reason your answer is what? 200 minus 81.92. This is what? Kerosene. So 118.08. So option C. Option A is also there. That is the reason I told. So here original quantity is petrol, replaced quantity is what? Kerosene. That is the reason. So we have to find out. So 200 minus 81.92, that is our answer is what? 118.08. Therefore, amount of kerosene left after fourth attempt. Your answer is 118.08. Option C is the right answer. Just to make a note, Amma. So this is what, Amma? Replacement type. Replacement type. In previous question they asked milk, here they're asking kerosene. Okay, Amma? Both different varieties. Just to make a note. Can I go for the next question? Read the question number 30, Amma. From a container of wine, a thief has stolen 15 liters of wine and replaced it with the same quantity of water. Again repeated the same process. Thus in 3 attempts, the ratio of wine and water becomes 343 is to 169. The initial amount of wine in the container was how much? Here the formula is what, Amma? X into 1 minus y by x whole power n equal to original quantity. Okay, Amma? They're asking the initial amount of wine in the container. Okay. So here ratio become 343 is to 169. 343 is to 169. Final mixture. Final ratio is 343 is to 169. Wine and water. Wine is 343 parts and water is 169. These are not the values. These are the parts. These are the parts. Here total is nothing but wine plus water is total, na? That is x, na? Original quantity, na? That is original quantity, na? Yes or na? So 343. That 343 is what? The 343 is what? After 3 attempts, the remaining wine is 343. That is equal to x is nothing but total, na? X is nothing but total, na? That is nothing but 512 parts, na? 343 plus 169, 512 parts minus 1 minus. Here every time replacement quantity is what? How many liters? 15 liters. Y is 15. 15 by x whole power 3. 3 attempts, na? This 343 is parts, 512 is also parts. That is the reason 512 comes to the side. 343 by 512. 343 by 512, I am going to return 7 by 8 whole cube. Accepted or not? 7 cube is 343. This 512 comes to this side. 8 cube is 512. Is equal to 1 minus 15 by x whole cube. Whole cube get cancelled. All of you clear, amma? Sir, why you are taking in place of x 512? Why you are not taking in place of x 512? Here 512 is not liters, that 512 is parts. 343 also parts. That is the reason I am converting into this side. But here this 15 is liters. But denominator is parts. It's not possible. Now I need to find out x. In place of x, what I substitute? Then I will get the answer. No need to go for the cancellation. Just observe. Numerator is 15. I need 8 here. Numerator is 15. I am cancelling with 15. I will get 8 as the denominator. 15 8 just 120. See the options 120. Which option is there? 1. D option. Once again, numerator is 15. After cancel with 15, I need to get 8 is the denominator. 8 is the denominator. 15 8 just 120. 15 8 just 120. Only one option is there. All of you clear. Otherwise, if you substitute 120 here, 7 by 8 is equal to 1 minus 15 by x. 1 minus 15 by 120. 15 by 120 is nothing but 1 by 8. 1 minus 1 by 8 is nothing but 7 by 8. Satisfied or not? So your answer is 120. Option D. Option D is the right answer straight away. So this is what, amma? So a replacement type. So first one that is what? First one I already told all the four. So First one, it is what? Combined average. Second one, mixtures or allegations. Third one, based upon concentrations. Fourth one, based upon proportions. Fifth one, based upon replacements. This is all about mixtures or allegations. So if you go for this like this concept wise, it's very easy to understood. Okay, Rama, first of all 30 questions solve like this and go for so homework sheet problems as well as our practice book problems. If you solve more, then we will get the command on this one. All of you clear, Andy? Okay, thank you.